So this guy has the ability to section out your LCD in zones, and each zone is going to expose for a little bit different time, but they're also going to have a different wait time. And the problem is, like I was saying, wait time drastically changes the accuracy of the print and quality. And accuracy changes your UV exposure settings. So for example, if I'm printing, let's say full room is as fast as the printer can go down, as fast as the printer can go up, no light off delays. What's going to happen is, and in my testing, because I've created a few tests that are specifically designed to test whether or not this increases the peel force or not, it does. There is more force on the supports when you do full room, but I also want to see how much more resin you consumed. And I ran multiple tests on multiple printers. The average was 25% more resin on a hollowed print was consumed. That 25% is going within inaccuracies. So the supports are actually growing larger. The support tips grow larger because, well, the accuracy is down. Those larger supports can increase success rate, but they're physically larger. The problem with these tests is that your wait times are changing because it has to sit there and do all of them and they're not all done at the same rate. That's a very different environment than your prints will run when you're not doing that. So your exposure settings, your calibration settings, they're off. I mean, you could say it could get you close and then you can move on to normal calibration. But to be honest, I would say you're already probably pretty close just pulling the vendor's manufacturer settings for the resin. I'm also getting as many resins as I possibly can and developing my own settings and publishing those. Those you'll be very close to calibrated, and I'll print ones in 30 UM and 50 UM, which will be most what people need. And then from there, just maybe 1 or 2 calibration prints and like you're done. And those calibration methods where it's a single calibration print running the way the printer will run when you do a full print, that's an accurate calibration. That's actually gonna be simulating what you're really doing, where the section zones off. Like I said, it's different. It will be different and your calibrations will change. And with that, thanks for watching and have a good day.